Hello, hello, friends. That's all she wrote Productions. Social stories, learning adventures starring Riley Roundtree.
Riley Roundtree returns to the zoo. Written and illustrated by Mindy Kilgrove. Meet Riley Roundtree. She's the most curious and the cleverest little lady in her community. Sometimes she goes on grand adventures with her close friends and family members. Today, Riley and her family members are going back to the zoo. What do we do first? Riley asks. We need to get our tickets, Aunt Aggie replies. Then do you remember what we do, Riley? Riley thinks about it. Yes, she chirps. Quinn likes to follow a routine, so that means we need to see the sea lions and the polar bears first. Very good remembering, Aunt Aggie cheers. But what do we do after we see those animals? Riley's not sure what they do. I forget, she admits. That's okay, Zeke says. Just follow me. The family has fun exploring the zoo together. Even though they go down the same path they went before, Riley spies new and different animals. She sees a zebra. It is walking around its enclosure, lazily eating some grass and straw. Then there is an ostrich. Riley can't help but think the ostrich is looking right back at her, too. Next, the family stops at the hippopotamus exhibit. Riley is thrilled because she gets to watch the hippo dive under the water. Riley loves looking at the great apes. One of the male gorillas is walking around the habitat. Do you think that gorilla is tired? Riley asks. Why? Returns Zeke. Because he stopped walking and is taking a rest. Riley points to the animal. He could be tired, Zeke answers, but he might just be thinking about what to do next. Riley nods, then follows her cousin away from the exhibit. When they get to the reptile and amphibian house, Riley stands close to the glass so she can get a better look at the animals, like this frog. There are so many animals to see there, but the family keeps moving, heading toward the wolf enclosure. She has fun howling like a wolf. Howl! She is excited to see the meerkats. They are so playful today. Riley is surprised by this. She takes Uncle Archie's hand and points to the animals. I thought since we'd already been to the zoo, I'd just see the same things as last time, but everything seems different. Uncle Archie chuckles. That's the cool thing about visiting the zoo. The animals behave differently every day. You never know what you're going to see here. Finally, as always, the family stops in to admire the lions. Riley tries growling like one of the lions, just for fun. Grrr. Did you have a good time on our adventure today, Riley? Uncle Archie asks. I loved seeing the animals, Riley answers, and I hope we can keep coming back here every day. Uncle Archie snickers. We can't come back all the time, but I'm glad you had fun, and we'll be back soon enough. 3 cheers for Riley Roundtree! Hooray for asking lots of questions! Hooray for listening to all the answers! Hooray for trying something new! Uncle Archie tells Riley, I'm so very proud of you. And now we need to say goodbye. Until next time, friend. That's all she wrote. The end.
Be sure to subscribe and press the like button below. Want to keep learning with Riley Roundtree?